Here's my first free tip. Do not eat the yellow snow. You're not connecting with nature. You're connecting with someone's bladder. All right, gather round, because apparently some of you still think snow is just sky dandruff. Let's get a few things straight about winter's favorite confetti. If you thought snow was just frozen rain, well, congratulations. You've mastered kindergarten science. For the rest of us, snow is actually formed when tiny ice crystals and clouds decide to have a party and clump together. It's not rain that got cold feet. It's a completely different atmospheric process. Honestly, it's a miracle. Some of you managed to dress yourselves in the morning. Now, for another mind-blowing revelation. No two snowflakes are exactly alike. Shocking! I know. It's almost as if the universe doesn't mass-produce its delicate ice art. The unique shape of each snowflake, whether it's a fancy dendrite or a simple plate, is determined by the temperature and humidity it travels through on its way down. So, next time you're catching one on your tongue, just remember you're consuming a one-of-a-kind masterpiece. No pressure. Here's a fun one for all you homeowners. Did you know that lovely, pristine blanket of white on your roof is incredibly heavy? That's right! Snow isn't just fluffy and pretty. It's a silent structural menace waiting to turn your house into a pancake while you're inside, sipping hot cocoa and admiring the winter wonderland. Your roof is groaning under the weight of thousands of pounds of frozen water. Isn't winter magical? Especially the part where you have to shovel your roof to prevent a total collapse. Good time. And let's talk about the sound of silence. Ever noticed how everything gets eerily quiet after a heavy snowfall? No, it's not because everyone has wisely decided to stay inside and avoid you. It's because snow is a fantastic sound absorber. Its porous, airy structure traps sound waves, muffling the usual noise of the world. It creates a serene, peaceful environment, which is nature's way of giving you a break from your neighbor's terrible music taste. It's also the perfect setting for contemplating all your life choices, like why you chose to live somewhere that requires a snow shovel. But wait, there's more. That same fluffy snow that's trying to crush your house is also a brilliant insulator. The air pockets that make it so great at absorbing sound also trap heat. This is why small animals can survive the winter by burrowing under it. It's also why you can build a snow cave or a quingy to stay surprisingly warm. So, while you're freezing on your way to the car, some mouse is living its best life in a cozy subterranean snow palace. And speaking of your car, is you to scraping ice off the windshield at 6 in the morning a wonderful bonding experience with the elements? While you're doing that, remember that all this snow reflecting sunlight back into space is actually affecting the local climate. Snow cover can reflect top to 80% of the sun's radiation, keeping the surface and the air above it colder than it would be otherwise. So, the snow is literally making it colder. Thanks, snow. We really appreciate the extra effort. Finally, for all you doomsday preppers, snow is a source of fresh water. When it melts, it replenishes rivers and groundwater. So, in a pinch, you can melt it for drinking water. Now, just try to avoid the yellow snow. Okay, you simpleton? I feel like that's a basic survival tip, but looking around, maybe it needs to be said. Snow is also nature's way of saying you might need a family upgrade when you're all stuck inside together for days on end. It really brings out everyone's charming personalities. So there you have it. A few basic, earth-shattering facts about snow that you probably should have known already. Now you can go back to complaining about the cold, but with a slightly more informed perspective. You're welcome. This channel will certainly make you smarter than the bowling ball that you are now. So hit the button and stay. Connect. Your friends will certainly thank me for raising your IQ.